Hello, this is a brief example video for the YouTube lab. So I'm gonna rate some animals on a tier list for the zoo. I'm gonna start with the penguin. I think the penguin is a great zoo animal. Um, at the Akron Zoo, this is actually the first animal you'll see when you walk in. Next, we're gonna do otter, another water critter. Very cool. A tier for sure. Um, so next I'm gonna do the Australian birds. I don't think that's the species name of the birds because there's a lot of different colorful birds. I think birds are cool. They're going in B for bird. Macaws are pretty cool. I'm gonna also put them in B tier, but maybe above the rest of the birds because they're bigger. Next we have the butterfly house. I don't really like bugs. They kind of creep me out. So they're gonna go in C. A cassowary. This is kind of like a chicken bird, but not a chicken. I think they're alright. The collared peccary. I have not seen this in a zoo, but it looks cute. It looks like you can't pet it, but I want to pet it. I'll put it in B. A colobus. I think this is some sort of monkey. It looks cute. I'm gonna go B as well. Elephant. Elephants are cool. I don't think I've seen one in a zoo, but I know they're there. I'm gonna go A. Fish and seahorse. I think this just includes all fish because I don't see other fishes. I think aquariums are really cool. Are they S tier? I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep them at A. A frog. Frogs are cool, but they kind of creep me out. I'm gonna go B. The tortoise. I've actually seen quite a bit of these guys. They're very cool. They're kind of boring to watch though. They kind of just stay there. I saw the zookeepers actually hose them down to like clean them. So that's cool. A gibbon. This is another monkey. I'm gonna keep him next to the other one. Gorillas. Gorillas are a bit bigger, but they're cool too. I'm gonna go A. A baboon. Another monkey. B tier. A hippo. Hippos are like big and kind of scary. I'm gonna go C. Kangaroo. I think kangaroos are cute. Um, they're the mascot for the University of Akron. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go A tier. Koala. They're cute. They kind of just sit there and eat though, so they're kind of boring to look at. I'm gonna go B. Lemurs. Lemurs are so cute. I think they're one of the best, like, cute animals you can find. I'm gonna put them at a high A for the zoo. Lions. Lions are just cool. They're just big cats. They kind of sleep a lot of the time, but they're cool to look at. I'm gonna put this as the first S tier. A meerkat. Um, these are kind of small guys. They do move around quite a bit. So looking at them's cool. You'll see them running around a lot. I'm gonna put them A, but like below the elephant. A platypus. I wanted to see ducks on this tier list because I like ducks, but they aren't zoo animals. Platypus is pretty close though, so it's gonna be another A tier. I'm gonna put this above elephant because it kind of represents ducks because it's the only thing that has a beak. Red pandas are my favorite like animal at the zoo. S tier. Reptiles in general, I'll put it next to the fish in general. They're both pretty cool. Seals. Seals are cute. I'm gonna put them in A. A samang. It looks like another monkey. I've never seen it in a zoo. I'm gonna go next to the rest of them. Snow leopard. Snow leopard is so cute. S tier. Spider monkey. I don't know if this is actually a monkey or a spider. It looks like a monkey. I'm gonna put it next to the others. A tamarin. This is another type of monkey. I think the monkeys are just gonna populate the B tier, I think. A tapir. I don't know what this is. It's kind of ugly. Kind of looks like a hippo, but like not as big. Go see. Tasmanian devil. These guys are cute, but they're also pretty aggressive. I'm gonna go B. Tigers. Tigers are just cool. S tier. A wombat. These guys I don't actually remember seeing. They look kind of ugly, but they're cute at the same time. I'll go C and put them above the butterfly. Zebras. Zebras are just S tier. And that's it for the tier list. Thanks for watching.